Oh, I wish I could see. That is muddy chocolate coffee water right on my sock, right on my shoe. I was backing up and I stepped in it and it went everywhere. No, this is really upsetting.
Anyway, welcome to Paluma National Park. We are on our way to Cairns and let's go. We are in Paluma National Park, Paluma Range National Park, and we are going to explore a few places today. Big Creek, Little Creek, and
Jourama Falls.
Geronimo. Is that the word?
No, it's Geronimo.
Geronimo. We're going to explore Geronimo.
No, Jourama Falls.
Jourama Falls.
Jourama.
Drama.
Ra. Ma.
Jourama Falls.
It
And then
could
we're
be
heading
Jourama.
Falls.
Could be.
So we're exploring Big Creek, Little Creek. Welcome to our cafe.
Big cook, little cook. Welcome to our cafe.
Jourama Falls.
So I'm currently walking 100 metres apparently from campsite to Paradise Waterhole. I mean, and also it says no fishing, no dogs or cats. But then, bull route. I don't know what that is. What is bull route? Is it going to bite me if I go for a swim? Surely not, if they advertise it as a swimming hole. Why is there a warning sign and bull route? And why does that fish look like a piranha? But I have no signal to search up what a bull route is before I dip in. So I'm not sure. That water is crystal clear.
Josie's going in. It has been decided. Bit cold. Where are you going to send it in? I reckon here. There's a few steps
I don't
here.
want to rock climb though, that scares me.
I'll help.
Oh bloody hell, that's really not better when you're in either. It's colder than Brisbane, and Brisbane was cold.
Straight back out, huh?
On the cold swimming scale that we've done, that takes the biscuit.
Yeah, what was 1, 2 and 3 for you?
This was the coldest. Brisbane was the second. No, that's like ice cold.
That was absolutely freezing.
That was the coldest swim we've done. And our stay in Flaxton on the Sunshine Coast was third.
We're about to jump in here and enjoy the rest of our day.
Oh, I fell over.
What'd you say to all the haters?
Haters gonna hate, peace out. Because that was cold, but this was like
Freezing.
James has gone back to the car and returned in his swimming trunks.
If you say it's the coldest one we've been in,
You gotta try for yourself?
I have to try.
Don't disagree with me now, don't embarrass me. Just lie.
We'll see.
I think it is.
Which way should I go in?
The way I went in is, I think it's easier. Here he goes. Questioning your life choices? Get your full body in then. Not just your little twinkle toes.
That's okay.
Why's your voice got higher?
Ready?
Are you ready?
No.
Brisbane or here? Which one?
Yeah. That was Big Creek, right next to our camp area. That is a pretty good camp, to be honest. It's got showers, toilets, cold showers.
Mine had the option to go hot though. Did it just not go hot?
Yeah, mine did. I put mine on full hot and it was freezing.
Oh, okay.
And then you have the option to walk down to Big Creek and have a dip in a pool. So why not stay there? It is one of the best campsites I think we've been to.
We found the car park for the Rockslides.
I can hear people screaming in the distance.
Screaming of fear or terror or joy. Rockslides 100 metres, so that was probably From the car park, we walked, what, 200-300 metres?
Yeah.
So all in all, about 400 metres. Very short walk. And let's see if it's worth it. There is a danger sign. Slippery rocks, submerged objects and fast flowing water. Do you know what? Fast flowing water is what you want for a rock slide, right? And we hear screams of joy. Squeals.
You going for a dip?
Yeah, but it's very slippery.
This isn't a rock slide, by the way. This is just the...
This is me first slide in to your DMs. Very cold as before, but almost like worse because you can't just plunge your body because it's quite shallow.
It looked alright. You uncontrollably slid down the ramp.
Oh my, no, it's so slippery.
It is slippery.
Like, so slippy.
What do they call this place?
Rockslides.
Rockslides. These rocks
And they are
have
slides.
These rocks have you sliding, don't they?
They do. It didn't hurt my feet like I thought, but it really hurt my bum.
You okay?
Yeah, I've just got a bit of friction burn.
Was it fun?
Kind of. No.
Should we head back?
Yeah.
We are heading to Little Creek. That would be rock slides, and they were pretty cool. Josie hurt her bum.
I feel like if I wore like little, just wear swim shorts, like you know those little swim shorts you can get?
Yeah.
Then your bum won't hurt at all. But loads of kids were actually sliding down it on a chopping board.
Did that. A chopping board, and there was an ironing board as well.
No, there
So,
wasn't.
yeah, did you not see?
No, I didn't see the ironing board.
Yeah, so you had chopping boards and ironing boards. So if you are going to come here, bring a chopping board.
Or just shorts.
And you can slide down on a chopping board or shorts.
Yeah.
Little Crystal Creek. Take a walk in the clouds. We are pretty high up right now.
I'm freezing. I don't know why, but like maybe it's because we're high up and the air's chillier. I feel like, ooh, really cold.
This place is cool. And it's got this really big bridge just above us here. It's really cool. It's quite cold though up here. But it's like loads of little different waterfalls everywhere. I've got the bridge behind me and there's loads of picnic areas that you can go and sit at. So yeah, I'm glad we came here. It's even got a little beach here. Should you have us chill on the beach? You've got these lovely pools here. We would swim if it was sunny and if we hadn't swam already.
There's no sun here, yeah. In the summer there probably is a fair bit of sun, but I don't know if it's time of day. I don't know.
Time of day for sure. You would get sun in the evening here.
Or the morning.
Nah, morning would be that way. So evening, yeah. Yeah, you get sun in the evening here. We're here like midday-ish, so it's all in the shade. But yeah, if we hadn't swam already and it was a bit sunnier, we'd be in these pools for sure.
And the air's cold up here though as well.
Yeah.
So it just makes everything a bit colder.
It does.
So we are on to our next location, Jourama Falls. I'm not really sure where we're going to camp tonight.
Great.
So we also need to figure that out.
We are at Jourama Falls Lookout Walk. We are here. And we want to go up to here. It says 3k return, allow 1 hour. But what are we?
Experienced hikers. I feel a bit lazy right now though. I feel a bit flat. I'm cold. I just feel a bit flat. It's very cute actually.
Slippy piece of rock, eh? What do you see?
A snake.
Are you sure?
Yep. Definitely wasn't a lizard. And it slithered.
Could be anything. Rock pools or lookout?
Lookout.
And then rock pools. Never take hiking advice from Josie. Birkenstocks. Wore a jumper. that I'm now holding.
And my PJs.
And half of your PJs. Yeah. You're going pretty fast though. We have made it, and behind me is Jourama. Behind us are Jourama Falls. There's loads of rock pools, but the rock pools I don't believe you could probably get to without being able to rock climb, right?
Ooh, I think some of them down there you can,
Yeah.
but not up here. No way.
Amazing.
It's pretty
And we did that in like
spectacular.
20 minutes as well. It wasn't that long.
If that, even
Yeah.
maybe 15 even.
So we're back at the rock pool sign. Josie's already on her way. This is a bit hairy. Be careful.
They weren't really that rock pooly.
Yeah,
Compared
they
to
were,
the
they were
others.
nice, but like compared to the others we've been to today,
Yeah.
the others were better, I
I
think.
feel like the water here is so spread out that it needs to be a lot of rainfall for like those rock pools to be full.